Private freelancers did the design work for my app. All I did was log on. I found freelancers. I picked the one that would fit my budget and the one that had great reviews. Private freelancers did the design work for my app. All I did was log on. I found freelancers. I picked the one that would fit my budget and the one that had great reviews. Private freelancers did the Welcome back, guys. Pedro here with another video. Just want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You got it, dude.
My name is Pedro and I do Forex trading. And also, I just want to welcome you guys to the community. Welcome you guys to the
Is that you, babe? Huh? Is that... ¿Le pusiste like a un video? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Estoy probando esto de live. Yeah. ¿Le pusiste like a un video? Yeah, I'm live right now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, pero no hay, ahorita no hay gente. But I guess they come and go. Estoy probando esto de live.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I'm live right now. See, this is what it looks like. Yeah. See, that's live right there. But I guess they come and go.
Pero eso no queda ahí.
I can delete it, but there's someone watching. I don't know if it's just me.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's take a look at the charts. Okay. Just go to the channel, man. You'll see it. There's someone watching. I don't know if it's just me. Yeah. All right. Well, let's take a look at the charts. Just go to the channel, man. You'll see it. There's someone watching. I don't know if it's just me. Yeah. All right. Just go to the channel, man. You'll see it. Just gonna wait and see if there's more people joining. All right, guys, so let's take a look at USD Jpy. Just gonna cut this off so there's no feedback. All right, guys, so let's take a look at USD Jpy. Right now we are on the 4 hour, and kind of what I'm looking at, I'll kind of show you guys what we can expect. So right now, based off of the 4 hour chart, we can see that price did push to the downside. We saw some downwards moves, so downwards trend. We did, however, see price kind of come down to these lows, and now price is ranging. Within this range, you can see kind of price creating another upwards trend and coming to this key level over here. You can see that price has rejected this level in the past many times. In fact, you can see that price actually has created a support here, not only a few times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, quite a few times. So that it is a key level of significance. Again, remember, these are just zones, so price could react within that level. We don't know exactly, an exact point where price will, react, but we know an idea, an overall area as to where price could potentially react, and we can see that price is reacting to that area. It's come to that area again, so looks like price has rejected within the 4 hours, so this is significant. We can kind of expect either price to create some sort of a double top here within this area over here. We can expect price to kind of retest and try one more time before pushing back down, or we could expect price to come back, retest, and break through. If that's the case, then we would just have to wait for some sort of a retest or pullback for price to continue going further. So that's for USD JPY. That's kind of what I'm looking at right there. As of right now, I don't really see a trade, to be honest with you guys. I don't see anything there. Okay, let's take a look at gold. I don't know if you guys remember with gold, I did predict that gold was going to melt. And as you guys can see, it did. We can see that price did actually form this sort of a wedge. We had this nice upwards trend, and we saw price break. We saw that strong momentum again. As you guys can see, this is I had everything all lined up for you guys. I have if you watch my previous video, this here wasn't even here. So I did predict price to go down for gold. So as you can see that we did get that strong momentum. We did get that wick over here, pull back to this level over here as I previously predicted. And then we got that rejection within this level. Price didn't even bother going any higher. It just melted. So I did get on this trade this morning, which was nice. We got some quick 30 pips. I did post this video as well this morning too. So really, really nice trade. Really, really clean, guys. It's very straightforward. If you just look at the markets a certain way, you're going to be able to kind of see things with clarity. And the more and more you guys see it, the more clarity you guys will have. So really, really cool. And yeah, so that's what I've got right now, what I'm looking at for gold. I think gold still has a little bit more potential to continue going down further. Sorry, I just gotta drink my water. Yeah, gold has lots of potential to continue going down a little bit more further. I mean, we can expect like a short-term pullback again to this kind of key level over here. Previous supports. We can expect price to continue down to this key level right over here, and then we can kind of go from there. Again, remember, guys, trading is all about probabilities. There's no 100% guarantees. There's nothing that like no one's gonna know what price is gonna do, or else everyone would be, doing trading. It's not that easy, right? Obviously, the idea is to it's all about probabilities and looking for the perfect opportunities and managing your risk and knowing when to get in, and when to get out, right? Excuse me. So that's that. This is my GBP JPY, so my GJ trade. Sorry, it's a little messy because I've taken a few trades this week. So let's kind of zoom in a little bit more closer here on GJ on the 4 hour. And you can see this is my last trade that I took. So price came to this key level again of significance. Price GJ has been ranging for a bit after this strong push to the downside. So price has been kind of ranging for a bit. Within this range, again, lots of great trade opportunities. Price did come and reject this level and respect it. In fact, after this strong push, I wasn't really expecting price to actually break through and go higher. I was actually expecting some sort of a rejection, which did happen. Hence, that's why this trade, when I took this one, I saw a lot of potential, right? I saw, okay, price is pulling back here. We got that strong push, that strong momentum. It did break this key level, which I'll be honest with you, I thought it was going to continue going down. But what I saw here, and this is good for you guys to know as well, is that I saw that on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, but more specifically, I guess you could see on the 4 hour, I didn't notice this and it kind of like slipped on me. I was so focused on the strong momentum to the downside and then the pullback. So I saw price, this key level of support, and then price pushed and broke this level of support, came back up, and then I was kind of expecting price to come back and retest these lows, but it didn't. So it continued pushing up higher. And then after I realized that if you guys notice, we've got one bottom here and another bottom here. So this is a double bottom formation. Price rejected this area twice on a 4 hour. On a 4 hour time frame, that's huge. I mean, I missed it, unfortunately. And you can see it a little bit more clear on the 1 hour. So yeah, so this trade I did, obviously you can see it's a loss. But with this trade, sorry, I don't even know why it's pushed all the way over there, but with this trade, it did turn out perfectly. We did see that strong momentum afterwards. I did expect a pullback, obviously, after a strong push like that. Within a couple hours, I knew that before going to bed the night before, I knew that price was just going to come to the 618 or 0.50 and potentially reject it if it was. Get right in. I believe I got into this candle right over here and woke up in the morning and it was already at the top. So really, really nice trade opportunity. There's lots of trade opportunities always, guys. So what you want to do is always kind of analyze what the market is doing, always kind of have an overall idea of the direction of the market, overall kind of perspective as to what the market wants to do next, right? So once you have all of that, you're able to kind of understand what the market's trying to tell you, right? So what the market's trying to dictate to us. So yeah, it's a pretty cool trade how that panned out. Right now, I don't really see any trades for GJ. Again, we're just kind of back into the ranging zone here. Just consolidating. US 30. US 30 is an interesting one. I did see on the 4 hour, I believe it was daily. Yeah, on the daily too. We could see some strong resistance here. You can see that previous support, and it just continues on here. You can see all these levels here, right? So price did reject these zones here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then now 6, right? So we're at a key level here, and this is on the daily. So again, this is huge significance. And if we take a look on the 4 hour, again, we can see that price did reject it. Not only that, this is something I really noticed, guys, and it's really clear to kind of see what the market's doing here. You could see that price was doing an upwards trend. Or for some people, they like to call it a channel too, whatever you guys want. But to be honest with you, this is just an upwards trend. You can see higher highs, higher lows, and then price broke previous low. Obviously, like it could still potentially go higher. Again, it could still potentially come to this level over here, retest these highs before going back down. So I want to clear that up, clear the air here, and let you guys know that this is still a potential. Reason being, until price does not break this low here, it's not a sell yet. The reason being is because technically this is the previous low and price still hasn't broken the previous low. So price could technically come up, upwards trend, consolidate for a bit and continue higher, right? So something to keep in mind, guys, whenever you're looking at trades, yes, it did break the trend line. And again, it broke the trend line. You can say, hey, it came back up, retested, and it's going back down. Yes. But you always want to look at your confirmations, right? You want to make sure that you look at things clearly with an open mind, and see, okay, these are the rules I've got. I'm going to go based off of these rules, right? So yes, it broke the trend line, but trend line is just a trend line. It doesn't really mean anything. When you look at basic market structure, right? And you look at the price and you're like, okay, so price has been trending upwards. we technically did break this trend line, which still doesn't mean anything. We did see a strong momentum pulling back, but we still didn't see the previous low break. So until I don't see these candles over here break, sorry, I don't even know what happened there. My bad. Until we don't see that break, this level here, then we can't expect sales. Obviously, I'm getting a little ahead of myself here, and I just kind of put this setup here in place. But again, I'm expecting obviously price to come back to this area and potentially even again, right? It could clearly create some sort of a double top again. This is the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, it could easily come back up. It did wick and reject right away, so that is a good indication that it is slightly bearish. But again, guys, just something that I'm looking at for US 30 right now. If you guys are watching live, I think I've got like 2 other people live. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Comment. Let me know who's here. Let me know your names. That way I can just be aware. Let me know if you have any questions too, because we are live right now, guys. So if you have any questions about any charts or any trades you want me to go over, just let me know. If you are new to the chat, guys, again, feel free to subscribe. I've been doing Forex trading for quite some time now. Obviously, you know, I'm not a pro by any means, but I've been doing it for quite some time. I've been involved into crypto as well. In fact, me and the wife sold our crypto, most of our crypto portfolio. Now that we're in a little bit of a bearish market, we sold part of our crypto. So here's my story. So we sold part of our crypto to pay for our house. So we got married literally in July, and we've been able to take advantage of those investments and actually be able to buy a home, which has been a blessing too. So yeah, really, really cool. And then, like I said, I've been within crypto and Forex for quite some time, almost about 5-6 years now. So especially with crypto, that's where I started. But yeah, pretty cool. Bands, what's up, man? Welcome. Feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm going to be doing live every week. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Happy to have you guys. Let me know how I can help you guys. Also, if you guys want to join a nice, like a smaller community, I have a Facebook community. It's called Blessed Traders Academy. It is absolutely free to join. So feel free to let me know in the comments below. I can send you the link. Actually, I'll attach the link here so that you can join. Yes, I do trade gold. We had a good trade this morning. Let's take a look here. All right, just click the link there I posted, and you can join my Facebook group absolutely free. And then that way you guys can know when I post new stuff. So let's take a look at gold. Gold, yes, gold. I'm not sure, Bands, if you were here when I was talking about gold. Yeah, like I said, we had a good day with gold. So gold was a good push. We did catch about 35 pips. Like I said, I'm expecting gold to come back up to this level over here. So retrace back and then potentially come back to this key level over here. We got the Manuel Turizo. Let's go.
Don't start a business.
No, these ads are annoying.
You don't have to be a rich investor with bags full
These
of
ads are annoying.
existing business.
Man, who loves these ads?
With $0 out of pocket. And you won't have to find customers. You won't have to find.
You gotta love gold. Obviously, gold can. You gotta know what you're doing because gold is a little iffy sometimes. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, actually, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Oh, look at those moves. Oh, it's just like arranging right now. It's nothing exciting. To be honest with you guys, I'm expecting Bitcoin to potentially within the next 2 to 3 years, guys, it's gonna go back up. So best advice, buy in right now. Right now is obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take this as financial advice, but best tip, look into accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum as much as you can because it's got lots of potential. Right now we're just in a typical cycle. We're also going to be going through the halving event. That's not going to change. There's a huge backed community with Bitcoin. Obviously, you got to like it. You got to believe in it. I'm a huge believer in you have to believe in what you're investing in. So if you don't believe in it, then don't even bother. But yeah, bands. Yeah. So just click the link. Like if you have Facebook, click the link and join the Facebook community there. So the link should take you to the group and then I'll just approve it. And then that way, any questions you have, man, I'm always here to help. And like I said, we're just, I just started that group and it's been growing pretty well. So if you have any questions, I'm posting there pretty much daily as well too. So that would be the more direct way. If you have any questions there, they can answer it or I can answer it. You guys hear the music? You like the Spanish music? Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Like if you guys want me to go back to the basics and literally teach like how to set up like, your MT4 or like, kind of like the basics of trading, just let me know. That way I can help you guys and I don't mind doing videos on that. I just want to know what type of videos you guys want me to post. And then that helps me understand what you guys like. So comment below, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Let's look at Shiba Inu. There's another. Oh, I got into this one. Yeah, we got into this one like around here, and yeah, so we put like a good amount of money in there.
Interior paint, one coat coverage, fast drying technology, and early block resistance. Shop now exclusively at the Home Depot. Limitations apply. Visit
Yeah, supply and demand is basically like supply and demand is support resistance. They're all the same thing. Like it, like some people like to change it up. Hold on, let me just take this ad off. I don't know if you can hear me well, but yeah, like, you know what I mean? I've got like a nice, like, I have a PDF that I've actually been like providing to the group, and I do have available program, like a program available, like one-on-one if you're interested. But honestly, like, just basic stuff. Like, there's so many, like, if there's any advice I can give you guys, don't fall into the whole, like, you know, indicators or like stuff like that, and just keep it simple. Price action's the best thing you can do. Stick with price action. You'll be able to understand just basic market structure, and that's all you need. You don't need anything else. You know, it comes down to support, resistance, yes. Certain patterns, yes. You know, what the market's doing. Is it trending upwards? Is it trending downwards, right? Is it consolidating, right? So there's just so much out there. You just got to be careful, right? Because like they're going to try and confuse you and be like, oh, this is this, this is that, this is my supply and demand strategy, this and that. There's no, like, everyone has a different way of trading, a different style of trading, but there's no like exact way of this is how it should be done, right? So just be careful with what's out there, guys. But that's the thing I like about the way I'm building, you know, our community here and stuff, is that I like to focus on beginners, because that's the thing. When I first started trading, I didn't really have anyone that was like willing to teach the basics. You know what I mean? Like, I felt like lost. I really felt like I didn't have that support. You know what I mean? Not talking about, I had the support here at home, right, with my family, my wife, and all that. But I mean the support in the community, in trying to learn as a beginner. There's so much information out there. You don't know who to listen to, right? And so, like, you know, that's the one thing. That's kind of what motivated me, to be honest, to be even doing this, right? To be here right now, and to even be, you know, doing like the YouTube videos right now, the, you know, the Facebook group. So yeah, my goal is to create this community for you guys. That way we can help each other. You know what I mean? I can help you guys in any way, and yeah, I mean, we can grow a really, really solid community. So yeah. So gold looks like it's, to be honest, I mean, gold to me still looks a little bit bearish. We'd have to break these highs over here for it to become bullish. Yeah, we'd have to break those highs. In the meantime, this is kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah, be careful with NAS 100 and be careful with like US 30. Like, you have to have a big account for that. I'm getting slapped. Yeah, be careful with that, because yeah, you don't want to. You gotta have a big account, man. Like, and to be honest with you, like, if it the fluctuations, like pip wise, it's insane. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, we're talking, you know, like 300 pips, and like it moves it so quick. It's just insane, right? So you don't want to be like, as a beginner, you want to be trading like pairs, like not even gold. Like, if I were you, I'd be looking at like USD JPY, you know, GBP JPY, you know, pairs that don't move as much, like GBP JPY. So GJ moves a lot. But like, you could, like, Euro USD moves a lot too. but you could be looking at pairs like, I don't know, like Euro CAD, odd pairs, so like Australian pairs. You know what I mean? Those are pairs that are like more predictable. You know what I mean? Obviously, you don't catch as much pips, but yeah, you gotta be careful, man. You're gonna blow through a lot of accounts. Yeah. That's right. That's right. You gotta be careful with that. Yeah, just start with the don't go to commodity, like none of that. Like even gold, I would stay away from gold, to be honest. It's not with trading, it takes time. Like I said, I've been doing it for like 6 years, man. Like I've been in the game for a bit. But trading takes a lot of patience, and it's not like get rich quick. Like you don't expect that. It's get rich slow, but not get rich quick. But little by little, you'll get there. You just gotta have patience. Patience is key. Guys, whoever's joining, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys joining the live stream. Let's take a look at Euro USD. I haven't seen it. resistance. Price could probably come back down. Key level before pushing up higher. And come back and look at this as well. Retest this high before breaking higher. Some Drake.
Especially, we're going to save lives.
GJ. And I really, ever since like after like, you know, trading for quite some time and stuff and going through so many training and everything with like my mentor and everything, he always said just stick with one or two pairs. Like if you're all over the place, like you're just gonna get more confused, you know. And like I took me a while to get to kind of where I'm at now. And there's so many like courses and stuff that tell you like, or people that tell you, oh, like do this or do that. And honestly, like you'll find your own way of trading. You'll find your style. You know what I mean? If you're a scalper, if you're like, you know what I mean, a day trader, and like you'll just find your way as time goes by. You'll find your way and kind of what you like and your way of style of trading, right? So you just gotta kind of go with it and see which trades you like. What I find is there's a pattern. So usually what happens is that a certain pair always kind of moves a certain way. You know what I mean? Like obviously not the exact same way, but you're like, oh, okay, this is what's going to happen. Oh, okay, now I see this, like, you know, this wedge pattern forming or a triple top again. You know, it's just kind of like a cycle, and you'll spot it out easier. Once you start getting to like gold and like US 30 and Nas, you gotta like be careful because these guys are like big boys. Like this is like you need like minimum like 20,000 account to like not blow or like over leverage, right? So yeah, like especially with that kind of stuff. Luis, I don't understand what you're saying, brother. You have to English. Seems like you're Portuguese or something. Qual tempo que vas usar? Oh, okay. I kind of understand that actually. What time frame do I use? 4 hours, so 4 horas, and 4 horas, and usually 4 hour and 1 hour. Actually, between 4 horas for overall direction, 1 hora, so 1 hour for just like kind of like setting up my trades, and then the 15-minute sometimes, but mainly the 30 minutes, the one that I use the most. So 30-minute and 4 hour. 4 hour to help me understand the direction of the market, and then the 30-minute to execute my trade. Welcome, guys. Comment. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy to comment in the chat box. I'm here to help. Let's go. I'm going to be live tomorrow at 6:30, guys. I wake up every single day at 6:30 Eastern time. So we're here in Canada and Toronto. So we go based off of Eastern time, Standard Time. So 6:30 tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. every day. Obviously, except weekends. Welcome. Lise, I hope that answered your question. Whoever is joining our live stream, welcome, guys. Welcome. Feel free to chat, subscribe below, hit that like button if you're finding this helpful in any way, shape, or form. I'm here to help. You guys liking the music? Who likes Spanish music? Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, so US 30, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Like I said, good potential to pull back up and retest this level before it goes down. But it's at a key level, guys, because if we look here on the daily, look how price has been pushing up bullish, right? So we got to think of it like as basic market structure, right? You don't want to, like, price can only go so high for so long, right? It's kind of like an elastic band, right? Like you can't just keep going, and then it'll just won't break, right? It has to kind of pull back. You have to expect that price is going to pull back. It's always going to pull back. Almost 99% it will. So what you want to look for is keep it as clean as possible. Like when I first started, I was going boom, 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 like putting all these lines everywhere, all over the place. Don't overcomplicate things, guys. Just keep it as simple as possible. Simple. All you want to do is just focus on current price action, current market conditions, right? So if we zoom in a little bit on the daily, right, we just want to look at the most recent price action. That's all we want to focus on. So you can see here, obviously I pushed this further just to show you guys, hey, like, you know, there's this area here is a key level of significance, right? Like it's coming to a point where it's touching a level that it's been touched, it's been rejected multiple times. You can see it here. Look, rejection, right? It's all support, 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 resistance, 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 and then resistance again, right? So again, these are areas that are significant, right? So you want to make sure that the way you look at the market first, like first thing in the morning that I do and look at the market is just understand what's the direction of the market. Where am I at? You know what I mean? And this is what took me so long, because when I first started, it took so long to just understand the simplicity of it. I didn't think it was this simple, right? It's not easy, but it's simple, if that makes sense, right? So once you understand the overall structure and the overall direction of what the market's doing right now, the market's not going to do anything crazy. It's either going to be going up, okay? It's going to do an upwards trend, or it's going to be doing a consolidation or downwards trend. That's it. It won't do anything else that's crazy. I mean, you might get like a big ass move or something like that, but that's about it. You're not going to, you know what I mean? Like come to the charts and be like, what the hell is this? You know what I mean? So, yeah, once you understand the direction, guys, then you kind of say, okay, let me point out my key levels. And again, I think I was talking to Ben's. So yeah, key levels, man. So key levels, again, right? Some people call them supply and demand. Some people call whatever you want, support, resistance, right? It's all the same thing. Yes, I do mentorship, of course. I've been getting that asked a lot, to be honest, and so that's why I created the group. So hit me up on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram at Pedro M Business, or like I said, click the link to the Facebook group, and then just add me there. Add me on Facebook, Pedro Martinez, and then you can also send the request on Facebook for the group, and then I'll approve it, and then just send me a message, man. You can message me, no problem. And then we can talk. So anyways, yeah, like it's once you kind of understand that, then you're like, okay, clearly the daily is super significant. Like, look at this. This is a significant level. Aside from that, we saw this huge bullish momentum, right? We could see that price has been lately, right? We're talking since like July. So we're talking a month, just straight bullishness, just straight bullish momentum, right? So again, what was I saying? Price has to exhaust. Price just can't keep going up, and up. There has to be a sort of an exhaustion, right? Price has to kind of pull back and be like, okay, I'm going to take a break right now and breathe, and then I continue, right? So that's why a lot of people don't understand that. They're like, oh, I'm going to do like the pullback pattern or whatever. Or I'm going to do this. And then they don't know what they're doing. But you got to be careful, guys, because you got to also understand the direction, the structure, the key levels. So you add all that stuff together and you do like, okay, this is confirmation 1, confirmation 2, confirmation 3, confirmation 4. You kind of go from there, right? Obviously, there's psychology involved too. That's huge. What your lot size is going to be, not over trading. You want to make sure you don't never over trade, guys. You want to make sure you're doing good on that, right? There's lots of aspects to it. And I mean, it takes so much time. Like I can't cram in 6 years of understanding so many things and how the market works. Like, man, like it took me like a year and a half to learn like NFTs. And I literally grabbed an example, NFTs, and I lost a bit of money at first, but then I was able to make 10,000. 8,500 US, which was 10,000 Canadian at the time. And, with that, we were able to like, literally we paid off part of our, one of our cars that we had. So there's so many things that you can do, right? But everything takes time and understanding how it works, right? So that's kind of my best advice is just take your time. Don't rush into it. But if there's something that you see that has potential, go for it. You know what I mean? And look for help, because that's what I did. You know what I mean? And so yeah. So yeah, let's go back to, we were looking at yesterday. So main level of resistance. So again, right? We were talking, what were we talking about, guys? We were talking about, look, that strong bullish momentum. There's got to be some sort of exhaustion. There's got to be a pullback. There's got to be, and so hence, look, this is another key level here. You can see here, price did a support, resistance level here, support here as well. It's a little bit lower, but we can kind of set it around here, right? Remember, it's just an area. It's not an exact point. It's just an area, right? Or maybe so let's put this actually here where I had that line exactly. Yeah, see? Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Yeah, so, and that's the daily. 4 hour will be much more clear. Give me 1 second here. No, yeah, so 4 hour. I already explained this to you guys. So we saw that break of structure. That trend line broke, but we still have to wait for that confirmation. Let's look at the 1 hour. It's much more cleaner. Yeah, so like take a look at this, guys. So again, right? Remember what I said. Yes, it broke the trend line, but wait for confirmation before you get in. Wait for confirmation. We want to wait for price to break this previous low. Once price breaks this low, it's going to probably melt for a little bit, or you'll see like a red candle like this. Wait for the pullback. Don't get in. Don't get on a sell yet. Wait for price to pull back up to this level and retest here. Once you see price rejecting this level here in the future, always look left. Once you see price rejecting this level here, you can then start looking for sells. Put your stops here. It's up to you guys what you want to do. Not risk it too much. Like you don't want to do a high risk trade, but do something like this. Yeah, something like that. Which makes so much more sense. But again, between that time, guys, price could be going like this. Tomorrow, it could come and retest here again, come back down for a third time, range for a bit, and then finally break. There with you guys, teaching you, helping you guys out in any way I can. Usd Jpy. I haven't really looked at this pair, to be honest. So you can see, look, another, I already drew up these lines, see, right? Like, look at this older stuff of mine, look. This older stuff, like we're talking, what, April, back in April? Look, it's all about drying out your key levels. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? Drying up your key levels. Clean, crisp, crisp. Look at that. Let's go down to the 1 hour. That was a nice trade. Strong momentum. Previous low broke. Previous low right here. Broke it. Price came back. Retested. See? Retested it here. And then pushed down. See that? Price came down. Broke this low. Came down. Pulled back up. And came back down. It's that simple. It's that simple, guys. Let's go. I was gonna say again, it's that simple, but it's not that easy, if that makes sense. I don't even know if I'm making sense right now, but you guys know what I mean. Like it's straightforward, it's doable, but it takes hard work. You know what I mean? Like there's a lot more to it too. There's psychology behind it. There's confidence, you know what I mean, in the trades you're gonna take, confluence, your trades, every trade you take, you know what I mean, that confidence that you have to put in yourself and believing, not closing your trade early, trusting your plan, you know what I mean. There's a lot involved with trading, right? But yeah, it's definitely worth the risk. Once you understand this, guys, this is a skill set, you know what I mean? Skill set's something that you get to keep forever for the rest of your life, you know what I mean? Can make money, travel. You don't have to worry about having to sell a product or anything. It's a skill set, it's knowledge, right? You don't have to be stressing or anything like that. You could just be chilling with your family. You could be at the beach. And you know what's funny? I knew this was gonna happen. All of this. If I would have done like a long-term trade, just let it run, probably would have done like 1,000 pips, man. This move, I saw that move coming. way back, October 2021. Proof's in the pudding. It's right there, guys. It's right there. I've been doing this for a while. I'm telling you. It's right there. December 2021, October, November. Welcome, guys. If you just joined, don't forget to subscribe below. I'm going to be live tomorrow at 6:30 a.m.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
Serious eavesdropping on our conversation, guys. We got a serious problem here. I'm gonna be doing a live tomorrow at 6:30 Eastern time, guys. So if you just joined, welcome. But also wanted to let you guys know that if there's any live trade that I'm gonna do or take, it'll be then. So if you guys are interested, just keep that in mind tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. Okay, let's take a look at. Sorry, Vance. Okay, so we look at daily USD Jpy. That's what we were looking at. Okay. All right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. That's a key level there. So on the bigger picture daily, it's still somewhat bullish. We did see price kind of break this area here. But again, I won't be looking for sells until the price officially breaks this level over here for USD Jpy. That's obviously the daily, so it's kind of messy right now. So right now, to be honest, it's kind of ranging. If you look at it, it's just ranging. That's long term. Now in terms of short term, I just think, again, I think we were just looking at this one actually. Yeah, it's just ranging. So what does it mean when it ranges? So with a ranging market, hey man, I don't speak Portuguese. I'm Spanish. I'm Latino. Fala em portugués. I can kind of understand un poco. Depends. If you're from Brazil, apparently from Brazil, I can understand much better. If you're from the mainland, me and the wife actually got engaged in Madeira, so in the islands. So that was pretty cool, man. Portugal is beautiful, beautiful country. Very, very beautiful. Good food too. Sorry, going back to this. Right now it's ranging. It's come to a key level. So this is a key level. We are looking at the 4 hour. Remember, 4 hour is going to help us get us an idea of the direction of the market. So Bands, this is for you. Kind of want you to understand, right? So we want to just understand what price might potentially do. And obviously we're seeing rejection here. So again, we don't want to look at sells yet. Because price could actually break through. It could come back up and retest this level here, and actually could potentially push higher, right? And break this resistance level. Right now, it's reaching that resistance. What we're looking for is a breakout. When price is ranging, you are looking for a breakout either upwards or downwards. Doesn't matter what direction, you're looking for a breakout. And so right now, like obviously in the short term, it is trending bullish, right? But it's reached that key level. So regardless of it trending bullish or in an upwards trend, if it reaches a key level, price will react to that key level. So keep that in mind too, right? So it's not that easy, you know what I mean? You can't just like ignore that there's a key level, right? You have to keep that in mind. So my thought process, I think price could still come back up. It'll probably create some sort of either it'll range in this area before it comes back down. So look at this, price came back up, ranged for a bit, and then it melted down, right? So USD Jpy has potential to come back down as well. I would just wait for price to kind of retest for a little bit. It's still a little fresh. Like it just today alone, price made all this move here. So I don't think it's just going to go up and then come back down. You gotta give it a little bit and then kind of see how price is going to react. And then we can expect price to, if we see rejection within the next few hours, or we wake up tomorrow and we see like heavy rejection, we start seeing bearish candles, then we can start looking for sells, right? And we're going to want to see, this is the 1 hour. We're going to want to see these bearish candles break this previous low and then look for a pullback and just get right in on a pullback, put in a sell, put our stops like, okay, let's say 30 pips stop. It looks like a lot because we're on the 1 hour, but if we go on the 30-minute, it'll look cleaner, right? So right here, we put like 30 pips max, like we get in like around here, whatever, tomorrow. And then we can start setting like, let's say we can set our target like around here. That's like 95 pips. It's amazing. So perfect trade there. If you were to do a full lot, that's $950. Spanish music, man. Gotta love my culture, man. Is that clear? How do you guys see that? Does that, it's nice, right? Like it's clean. I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here on USD Jpy. Let me know, guys. Let's go. Wednesday night. We're gonna kill the markets, boys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. For those of you guys that are new, subscribe below, and don't forget the notification bell. Hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I post and every single time I go live. So it's important, guys. It's important. Sorry if I repeat it, but I want to make sure that the people that are new are able to know that. So welcome to this live stream, guys. I'm gonna repost the link as well too for the Facebook group for those of you that don't have it yet. I'm gonna repost the link. Guys, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you're looking at too. I want to know what you guys are looking at. Any trades you guys are thinking. Let me know your thoughts. Hey guys, don't forget to click that link to the Facebook group. It's absolutely free, guys, to join. Absolutely free. It's my Blessed Traders Academy. Why did I call it blessed? I called it blessed because we are all blessed one way or another. And we're blessed to be here, blessed to have the opportunity to be able to trade and make an income online. So I called it Blessed Traders Academy. And yeah, I want to teach you guys, I want to help you guys out with all the knowledge that I know. Obviously, like I said, I'm not a pro by any means, but with, you know what I mean, all the years that have come by, all the highs, all the lows. Like I said, when I first started, I wish I would have had that kind of clear, vision, or someone that was just starting out. There's so much information out there, guys. You just got to be careful, right, with what you're looking at. You got to be careful with, what you're consuming, right? There's a lot of information, false information, a lot of fluff, right? I don't like the whole fluff. I wanted something when I first started trading. I wanted something that was clean, that was transparent. You know what I mean? I wanted something that was like, just be upfront with me. Hey man, like tell me how it is. This is this, and this, right? And so, yeah, I want to be able to help you guys in any way I can. Let's see here. change it up here.
Welcome to the trading floor.
Guys, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we went to Mexico, man. We went to Mexico. And we went to Riviera Maya. Really, really nice. People are really nice there, man. And the food was really good. So really recommend Mexico. Really, really good. We're thinking our next trip. We're not sure yet, but we're probably thinking Bahamas. We'll see. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Let me know what you guys.
They didn't believe in us. This is the Khaled Hospital for those that didn't believe.
For those that didn't believe. You guys are funny.
Plus, there are tons of table games featuring live dealers like poker, roulette. What he said. Add some award-winning customer service and Mom. Hi, it's Mom.
Just click Ethereum.
For dinner. Kinda busy. Oh, you look tired. Oh, who's your friend?
Oh.
Bye, Mom. That Rivers Casino app. It's a whole new game.
I would just wait it out because Ethereum's a little bit. This could be a fake out, right? We don't know. We don't know until this is like trading a little bit more above this high. Once price breaks this high, then we can kind of expect price to come to this level over here, 2,400. In the meantime, it could just be a fake out and then push back down. This is a potential good setup. Yeah, 4 hour. I mean, it's still choppy, right? But we did see price break down for a while, right? Price was trending downwards trend. We saw that break retest. We saw that strong momentum, and now we're just waiting for that pullback. Remember this trade, guys. GBP odd. GBP odd. We'll see how it goes. GBP odd. Yeah, let's go. GBP odd. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you have any questions. If there's anything you want me to go over now that we're on live. I'm going to be going to bed soon, so if you have any questions, guys, feel free to comment. Let me know. GJ is just ranging. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Who likes Drake? Let's go. USD Jpy. Good potential sell. This is another one, guys, to keep in mind for tomorrow. Again, it's just ranging. It's not like trending like upwards or whatever on the 4 hour higher time frame, but in the shorter time frames, like a good sell. You know, not yet though. Not yet. Just wait for that rejection. Let's wait for some sort of like a double top pattern on the 4 hour or something. It'll range for a bit. Gold as well, guys. If you see the previous video I did, literally predicted it. It was gonna melt. Go on my YouTube channel. If you guys have the time, go on my YouTube channel whenever you have a chance and look at my latest video. Not this one, it'll show you the live one, but go on the previous one and you'll see the video. I believe, I can't remember what I labeled it. Forex strategy that works every time. Gold trade, that one, the gold trade one. Watch that video to the end. It'll literally show you how I predicted this gold trade right here that you see here. Literally what my thought process was and everything. Mind you, I had to do it really quick, so we had some things we had to get done, so I had to do it quick. But I wanted to film this video quick for you guys to kind of show you. Sorry, the music was loud there. To show you guys kind of what I was looking at for gold, and it panned out like melted like freaking butter. Look at it, just melted. Look, I think when I was predicting it was around here. Just melted all of this, and then I got in on a nice trade this morning. US 30 is another one I'm looking at for sells. I am eyeing US 30 for sells. But again, not yet. Not yet. Has to break the lows. Oh, wow, man. This is a classic. This is 2011 classic from Drake. Let's go. Comment below, guys. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Curious. I'm curious. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe below. Yeah. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, guys. That way you guys get notified. I'll be here tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. Eastern time, Canadian time. Yeah, Eastern time, 6:30 tomorrow a.m. So So I gotta go to bed soon because it's I'm not a morning person. So, well, I am a morning person. But I mean, like, I'm always friendly. But I mean, like, I'm not. You know, I appreciate my sleep. So my sleep is like, you know, important, guys. Sleep is important. Sleep is important. I used to think like going to bed late was like, oh man, I'm like hustling this, and that, and whatever, you know. But you know what? Waking up early in the morning before the sun comes out is the best feeling ever. Just meditate, pray, you know what I mean? And just, you know, and just be thankful, you know what I mean, to God, like with what you have another day, you know what I mean? And just like start fresh, you know, meditate, you know, look at the charts, sit down, have your, you know, I drink matcha. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I like my matcha tea. And then just kind of start off the day nice, you know. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Don't be shy. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you want me to look before I leave, because I'm going to be leaving soon in like 15 minutes. I think we've gone over a good amount. Happy to have you guys here. Classic. Cat GPU, I haven't traded that in time. Oh, USD Jpy. Comment below. What are your favorite pairs, guys? What are your favorite pairs to trade? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know. What pairs do you guys like to trade? Money in the city I'm from. Oh, look at this. This is a mad range. Like, price isn't doing anything. It's so flat. Yeah, it's had to be Canadian dollar. So it's so flat. Jeez, I don't even... There's like no structure here. Okay. 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 Yeah, it's just ranging. Look, guys, it's just ranging. No. Nope. Stay away. Stay away. Oh, what? Let's take a look at another pair here. NZD, no. Euro CHF. GBP, US. Let's take a look at this. Daily. Okay. So it's been trending downwards right now. Shoot, hold on. Oh, why is it's acting up? Anyways, price has failed to go higher, so it's still in a downwards trend. So it's still bearish. Yeah, you can see it right there. See, so it created this double top here. 1, 2, significant level. Look, support. Yeah. So GBP odd. US dollar is really strong right now. British pound's just not really moving that much. Didn't move today as well. GBP, JPY wasn't. It was slow. So yeah, so you guys can see right here, right? So you see how I just did that? Like daily, just kind of understand the overall direction of the market. Again, I wouldn't really do daily all the time, but I just kind of be aware. Okay, this is kind of what's going on, right? The 4 hours is the one that helps you kind of get an understanding of the overall direction of the market. And sorry about that, guys. And so, yeah, so that helps you get the overall direction of the market. So we can see, yeah, okay, so right now prices are really, really ranging. It's not really, it's choppy right now, right? You know what I mean? It's not like within the daily time frame. You can kind of see right now on the 4 hour, like we were pushing up, price failed to continue higher, came back down, but then it tried again and then it failed, right? So what I want to see right now, like zooming in, right, on the 4 hour, what I want to see, guys, is price break this low. Once price breaks this low to the downside, it's going to pull back. Once price pulls back, let's go. Let's make that money. Things are not like that. No, don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't do it. There you go. They know. Guys, let me know. Is this helpful? Is this helpful? Look at this. And then obviously, like this is the 4 hour, right? So it's going to take some time for price to move like this. So if we see a strong push within this strong momentum, like let's say we see a candle push like this, like 2 candles, that's 8 hours. So all day tomorrow, we go down to the 30-minute. Okay, let's try and find that spot here. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably like, it's hard to find, but we go down to like 15-minute, right? I'll go back up here just to show you an example. So this is the 30-minute, right? But we could go down to like here, and let's take a look at this here. So we saw the push, right? Strong momentum. Price pulled back up to retest previous low, and then it continued downwards. How far? Check this out. I'm giving you guys some goodies here. Previous strong momentum move, pushed it over here, bam. Come on, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm giving you some goodies tonight here, so subscribe if you haven't before, guys. So hit that notification bell as well, guys. I appreciate you guys joining me on my live video. And yeah, guys, so I will be leaving in 5 minutes. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me on my live. Does this help, guys? Like, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, do you see how clear and more simplified it is? Look at the news for tomorrow. That's what's probably going to give us the push we need. But are you guys understanding it? Like the way I'm explaining it? Like, do you see the potential of what price can do? Just want to know if you guys are getting it. Comment below, guys. Feel free to comment below. I want to hear your thoughts.
again, believe in us. This is the Catholic Hospital for those that didn't believe. Being a doctor, being a nurse, it's not
All right, guys, I'm gonna be finishing up in like 5. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you need anything before I leave.
So what's up? Porque tú estás aquí. Quiero ser todo ese perdón en mi vida. Una botella para esta mesa, bebé, porque no bailamos en el ayer. Y quiero que bailemos la noche entera. Que tiempo nos tenga sin cuidado, si te veo.
Guys, before I leave, don't forget the link. Click that link, the Facebook link. You can find me on Facebook, Pedro Martinez, but click the link and then I'll be able to add you guys onto the group. I've got my Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. And that way you guys can keep up to date with anything that I post. So feel free to click that link and join my Facebook group. Love to have you guys in there. And I will catch you guys until tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good night.